Hello, friends. It's me, Megan.
And I'm Jessie. Hey, Megan, notice anything different?
Nope.
Look again.
No, Jessie, I'm sorry. I'm still not noticing anything different.
Megan, I got a haircut. Can't you tell?
Oh, sorry, Jessie. Your hair looks great.
Thank you.
In today's Bible story, a couple was going to have a baby boy, and God told them that their son should never cut his hair.
What? Never cut his hair? Why?
Well, you're going to have to listen to our Bible story to find out. God's people kept getting into trouble. They disobeyed God again and again. Each time, God let their enemies have power over them. Now God's people were being controlled by the Philistines. One day, the angel of the Lord appeared to two of God's people. The angel told the couple that they were going to have a son. God had a special instruction for the baby. He should never cut his hair. God said, "Your son is going to save the Israelites from the Philistines." When the woman had a baby, she named him Samson. God made Samson very strong. Samson grew up and met a woman named Delilah. Samson fell in love with her. The Philistine leaders told Delilah, "Find out why Samson is so strong." The leaders wanted to make Samson weak. Delilah asked Samson, "Why are you so strong?" Samson said, "If you tie me up with 7 fresh bowstrings, I will be weak." But that was not true. Delilah tied up Samson with 7 fresh bowstrings. When she said, "Samson, the Philistines are here to get you," Samson broke free. Delilah asked Samson again, "Why are you so strong?" Samson said, "If you tie me up with new rope, I will be weak." But that was not true. Delilah tied up Samson with new rope. When she said, "Samson, the Philistines are here to get you," Samson broke free. Delilah asked Samson again, "Why are you so strong?" Samson told Delilah, "If you weave my hair into a loom, I will be weak." But that was not true. Delilah wove Samson's hair into a loom. When she said, "Samson, the Philistines are here to get you," Samson broke free. Delilah begged Samson to tell her the truth, so Samson did. "If you cut my hair, I will not have my strength." When Samson was sleeping, a Philistine man came and cut his hair. Delilah woke up Samson. "Samson," she said, "the Philistines are here to get you." But Samson was not strong anymore. The Philistines grabbed him and took him away in chains. But Samson's hair began to grow back. One day, the Philistines made Samson stand between 2 columns in their temple. Samson cried out to God, and God made Samson strong. Samson pushed on the columns, and the temple fell down. Samson and everyone in the temple died, but Samson had saved the Israelites from the Philistines. Samson died because of his sin, but God used Samson's death to help his people. Samson reminds us of Jesus. Jesus never sinned, but he died for our sin. Jesus died and rose again to rescue God's people from sin and give them life with God forever.